Hello my dear student, I hope you are all fine. So student, this is your class 5 and this is your science class. And today we will talk to about the skeleton system from the chapter skeleton system and nervous system. Right? So let's start. So at first I have taken your science in depth book. And then open the page number 76, skeletal system. So student, now we will talk to about the different parts of the skeletal system, right? So first part starting from the skull, okay? So look at this picture, this is skull, right? So skull is the hardest part of the body that protects the brain, right? So that's mean our brain is covered by the skull, okay? And there are 22 bones in an adult human skull which are fused together except the lower jaw, right? The movable lower jaw enables us to talk and eat, and the upper and lower jaw contain teeth that help us cutting and chewing the food, right? So student, that's mean only the flexible part in the skull is the lower jaw, right? So এখানে লোয়ার জ আমাদের যে নিচের যে চোয়ালটা আছে সেটা কিন্তু সবথেকে ফ্লেক্সিবল এবং এটা কিন্তু মুভেবল, রাইট? Now the second part is the rib cage. What? Rib cage. Look at this picture. This is the picture of rib cage. Look at this. So the rib cage comprises 12 pairs of ribs that curve around from the back of our body towards the front, right? So look at this, these are 12 pairs of ribs. তাহলে আমাদের টোটাল এই রিব কেজের মধ্যে 12 জোড়া, রাইট, রিবস রয়েছে, রাইট, 12 জোড়া, and look like curve, right, curve form, okay? And the rib cage protects the lungs and heart, okay? So this rib cage protect our lungs and heart. And all the rib bones are connected to the upper part of the backbone, right? Upper part of the backbone. And in front, ribs are connected to the breastbone or sternum, right? And a strong bone in the center of your chest that holds those ribs in place. The lowest two pairs are not connected to the sternum and are thus called floating ribs. Look at this. Look at the lower portion. These two pairs ribs are not connected, right? And they are free, right? And these are called the floating ribs. Look at this. These are floating ribs. Right? And this is the sternum, right? This is the sternum, okay? Then the next part is backbone. Look at this. This is the picture of backbone. So the backbone supports the body and gives protection to the spinal cord, right? The backbone is also called the vertebral column. What? Vertebral column. So the other name of backbone is the vertebral column, and it is made of 33 small and hollow bones called vertebra. Look at this. These are the 33 small bones, right? These are called vertebra. These bones are arranged over each other and form a tube-like structure, right? And it protects the delicate spinal cord and helps us to bend and turn, right? সো কি হচ্ছে, আমাদের যে টোটাল ব্যাকবোনটা আছে সেটা 33 স্মল বোনস, যেগুলোকে আমরা বলছি ভার্টিব্রা, এটা দিয়ে গঠিত। এবং এটা কি করে, আমাদেরকে বেন্ড হতে আর টার্ন হতে আমাদেরকে কিন্তু হেল্প করছে, রাইট? এই টোটাল এই ব্যাকবোনটা। ওকে, নাও নেক্সট থিং ইজ লিম্বস। ওকে, so the two pairs of limbs have the forelimbs, that's mean arms, and the hind or lower limbs, that's mean legs, right? So the forelimbs comprise the upper arm and the lower arm, that's mean this is the upper arm and this is the lower arm. Okay, and this is the total is called the forelimbs. Okay, and the upper arm has one long bone is called humerus, right? And it is attached to a pair of bones called radius and ulna. Look at this is radius and second is the ulna. That's mean radius and ulna is present in the lower arm, right? Ulna in the lower arm, and our hand having a number of smaller bones is attached to the lower arm. The forelimbs are connected to the backbone with the help of shoulder girdle, right? So that's mean this is the upper arm and this is the lower arm. A long bone is present in the upper arm, that is humerus, and two bones are present in the lower arm, that is radius and ulna, right? The lower limbs also have two pairs, right? The upper leg and the lower leg. The upper leg has a single bone called the thigh bone or femur, right? Look at this is thigh bone or femur. Okay, so in upper leg one long bone is present, that is femur, and it is the longest bone in our body and bears our weight. Okay, so our longest bones in our body, that is the femur. Okay, and the lower leg has two bones called tibia and fibula. This is tibia and this is fibula. These are joined to the femur at the knee, and the feet have a number of smaller bones, and lower limbs are connected to the body through hip girdle, right? This is the hip girdle. Okay, so the lower limbs are connected to the body through hip girdle. Now you will know about the functions of skeletal system. So skeletal system provides shapes and support to our body. Without the skeleton, our body system would not be able to stand, right? And it provides protection of our soft and delicate organs. For example, skull protects the brain, rib cage protects the heart and lungs, and the backbone protects the spinal cord, etc., right? And skeletal system along with muscles allow the movement of different body parts. Okay, and bones contain bone marrow where red blood cells are produced, right? Which is our very important part of our body, right? So student, that's all. Follow this video. Stay home. Take care. Bye.